Hello，今天我们骑自行车玩啊，骑的稍微可能远一点，remove， 看我们可以骑到哪里啊？就是骑人行横道就好了，不要。噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔我看现在下雨了，变成落汤鸡啊！已经感觉有点下了哈。哪里下了？每次出来都要下雨，能不能停一下就不要下了？让我们玩玩呗，走走呗。又要开始下了，又要开始下了。停雨，停雨，求停雨。啊边，停雨鬼，求停雨。求停雨，停雨。我感觉我们骑不到要去的地方，应该它就会越下越大。求它停雨吧。我们是求停雨，不是求雨鬼，是求停鬼，求停鬼，求停啊！停下吧，停雨吧。噔噔噔，闪电打起来了，油门突破，求停雨，停雨鬼，求停雨。停雨呀，求停，求停。好像那边有没有人行道啊？好像没有。停雨鬼啊，停雨了，停雨。求停雨啊！我怕过去那边一跑到大雨，都回不了家了。 新加坡，你看，就是红绿灯多好。我们这片已经是很偏的地方了哈。新加坡没有不红绿灯少了。哇，真下了哈，真下了。到前面要回来了，因为真下了。球停鱼啊！球停鱼。这边好像会有什么野狼、野狗出没吧？以前看到过一条狗，这里。我靠，这边应该没人敢骑啊！我今天突破了。哎呀，荒野！哎呀，闪电给我照亮路途，闪电。Yeah, nice one. We got a company, but we don't have lights here, so we need to ride as carefully as possible. We don't have lights here, so the guys are running very fast. Oh my goodness, we are crossing the road. We're crossing the road. Yeah. Nice one. Lightning help us. Lightning is helping us. But we still need to be careful. The road is wet. My goodness. Wow. We're doing well. We're still doing well. Nice one. Okay, we are at the end of the road. See at the end of the road. But we don't have lights installed, so must be careful. The road should be narrow car to go in. So I think we're all gonna turn it back. We're gonna turn it back from here. Oh, we're gonna have so today's explore will be start from here because the rain is getting heavier and heavier. We don't have much more choice now. We're ready to go back. Yeah, follow again. Nice guy with the umbrella. Nice one. So you remember we're gonna have a car at the time. When you have a car, you don't need to worry about it. Seconds going back. But when I ride a bike, I feel the way is so long. By the time I'm driving car, I feel the way is so short. It's kinda so easy, huh? But now it is not like that. Absolutely not like that. So we're going home. Because rain because rain is a problem. Going back. Going back. But still, riding is kind of a nice experience. Super nice. Just super nice. Even it's just a night riding. I've got light rain here. I've get wetted. My hair get wetted. So, but it's still a nice experience. It's perfect. You're all gonna like it. But hopefully we're gonna have a light to bring for next time. Well, this one is like a school, some things. Okay, nice one. It's a slope. We don't need to ride here. But brushes, two-sided brushes is too much more of them. I mean, they're not cut the lights there. Nice one, nice view. Now we're going back. It's perfect. We will try next time. We will try to go even further. We'll have going to a park. Going to park. It's a nice one. It's a nice park there. It's I'd say the guard restaurants, guard bars. You can go into the site. Absolutely. It's a garden also. Next time we'll be there. It's the name I forgot. The name I forgot. I forgot the site's name. Like auto? Not auto. It's removed escape area. Not auto. The name, actual name is I forgot. But that is the name for it. The location is a nice one. Next time we'll be there. But not today. Today we got too much more range there at that direction. So we're gonna back. It is still a nice experience. And this time, not so much more people are walking on the road. So the road is free. The road is free for us to go further, to go easy. I try to enjoy the riding. And I'm enjoying the riding. Actually, we can use the torchlight on the phone to make it make me more visible. But anyway, we're just riding on the footpath. It's quite easy for us to ride on. Nice and big umbrella. Just now we're going to the side. The side is it's like towards to a remote area, rural area, but this side is more civilized. If we're going that way, it will bring us to the town center. Here we still can go back. Why they make the crossing curve is because you want to makes the rainwater flow. That's it. And we make it. Then we make it going back. That's nice experience. That's an absolutely nice experience. Yes, we're there. We're there. Hopefully I will not catch any headache because my hands will get with it. Not the perfect feeling, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Perfect going home. We're going back home. Hopefully no cars around, so we can get in this way. Okay. Not easy when I'm getting heavy now. Okay, that's it for today's riding. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.